about 3 seconds to transition from one lane to the other. Let's go ahead and make a right lane change. 1001, 1002, 1003, so that there's no jerking motion at all. You just nice long transition. And let's go ahead and make a left lane change. Nice long transition. Okay, so we're heading into a 60 zone here. We're gonna stay in this lane. I know, it feels slow now, doesn't it? But we're approaching a roundabout, and at the roundabout we're gonna turn left, and you need to be in the left lane in order to turn left there, so keeping it at 60. And by left turn, what I mean is we're turning left and going into the parking lot there at the college. In this lane here, yeah. Once you reach the the median, above the median, that's when you start putting your signal on, your left signal. Like right about here, approximately, yeah. Put it on.
Should I go around?
Yeah, then you follow the arrows. Just go right around.
Should I turn left? No, I keep on going around.
Keep going right around this whole island, yeah. Okay, that's why we're doing this. Left, right on. And you have nothing to worry about with the blue car. He has a yield sign. Go straight into the parking lot, yeah. You got her.
Just keep your left signal on the way down.
Yeah. Yeah, when it goes off, just leave it off. It's so it's like you're going from one roadway to another different roadway, so you do need your signal. We're just gonna go into the parking lot over there. Do you, yeah? That roundabout?
Yeah. I usually my dad goes down there. To school.
Ah.
It's much faster.
All we're doing here is we're just going to turn it around and come back out to the Melee, so, or to LaSalle.
Make a circle?
Yeah. We're going to go back up to the roundabout.